What is going on, guys? Welcome to another CBD flower video, and we finally got them back. The CBD Flower Shop is back on the channel. You guys probably know how it went last time when we had the CBD Flower Shop on the channel with the gelato, and now we're bringing it back with the strawberry cheesecake strain, coming in at 12% CBD. We're going to pop this lid and tell you guys what this strain smells like. The terpene profile on this is amazing. You definitely get that strawberry, a very strong just berry smell to this one, with like a creaminess in the background. I'm getting three different smells. I'm getting like a very nice berry smell to this one, I'm getting a really nice creamy smell to this one, and then there's a little bit of haze in the background, and that's just smelling in the pot. This stuff smells really nice, and it smells fresh, which you can expect from these guys. And now that we've done the smell test, let's look at what this strawberry cheesecake looks like up close. And this stuff looks amazing. It's quite rare that you see the purple tinges to CBD flower, but as you can see, this is pretty purple heavy. I would have loved to see what this plant looked like before it was cut. You can see those purple tinges coming through, those nice bright orange pistils, and as the bud hits the light, you will also see that the trichome coverage on this flower is really good. When you break the flower up, as you'll see, those purple hues are coming through even more, and the trichome coverage on the inside is just as good as the outside. I've got to say, this is some really nice looking CBD flower, and the purple tinge to it just makes it look that much better. And now that the close-ups are done, we're grinding up some of this strawberry cheesecake, and I'm going to give you a smell test of what this is like when it's freshly ground up. And the creamy berry smell definitely sticks around, but I would say when you grind this up, that haze smell just explodes, and the berry creaminess kind of just floats to the side, and you really get punched with that strong haze smell. That sweetness is still there. This is just a real top smelling strain. And there it is. There is our Dynavap oven filled up with some of this strawberry cheesecake. We're going to put the lid on, and we're going to heat up this Dynavap. And as we always do in these flower reviews, we're going to start off the Dynavap by heating the top of the cap. We're going to try and extract as many terpenes as possible. It's not much vapor there, but really nice terpenes, and it transitions over really well from the smell of the flower. Really nice strong berry haze smell to this one. Don't really get that creaminess when I start vaping it, but the berry, not so much strawberry, but just berry, comes out really strong, and then that hazy punch comes out strong as well. So now we're going to go to the middle of the cap, and we're going to try and pull some vapor and some terps out of this. Yeah, that was a really nice hit. The haze is sticking around. The berry seems to drop pretty quick after that first terpene hit. I'll say that it doesn't really stick around for a huge amount of time, but I got a pretty heavy, hazy, earthy taste on that second hit. And now we're going to the bottom of the cap. We're trying to extract whatever's left from this oven. Whatever terps are left, if any, whatever vapor's left, we're getting as much heat on that cap as possible. Ooh, now that was a Dynavap hit, but pretty much all the terps were gone. Very earthy hit there on that third hit, but wow, that vapor production was strong. So now that the Dynavap's done, we're gonna put it down, move over to the Mighty. Let's go to 180. There we go, we're at 180. And this is pretty much how I've been using this strain while I've been testing it. I've done a few sessions in the Dynavap, I've had a few bowls of it in the bong, but mostly I've been putting this strain for the last week through the Mighty. So let's taste what those terps are like. Yep, there's those terps again. A nice berry taste with that haze in the background. This is pumping up the vapor straight away though. Getting some good vapor clouds off this. Wow, I'm still getting really good vapor clouds from this. I think I was 4 hits, still getting really good vapor clouds at 180, but we've got to get on with this video at some point. So let's go up to 210. Yeah, at 210, I'm getting pretty much an earthy taste now. The vapor is starting to drop off a little bit. See if we can get one more hit out of this. Yeah, and that is the mighty done. We're gonna put that down. And now we're gonna pick up our fresh glass piece. We're gonna pack a nice big bowl of this. And let's really test this flower out. Wow, just packing a bowl of this strawberry cheesecake. That berry smell just explodes just when you start warming this flower up between your fingers. And we're going in, guys. We're ready to go. There is the bowl, nice and full. We've got our lighter, as always, legalized broccoli. Let's do this. Wow, I took that hit into my soul, but I've done some bong hits of this strain this week, and I've got to say, it is super smooth. You saw the size of the bowl I hit there. I hit the bowl nice and clean, and I don't really feel like my throat or my chest is going to explode. Yeah, my eyes are watering a little bit, but whose don't when you've just smoked a bowl? So guys, the session is done. I'm feeling pretty relaxed right now. I'm sure you can see from my face, this strain has hit me pretty nice. So let's talk about it. Let's get into the review of the strawberry cheesecake from the CBDFlowerShop. And we're going to start off with the looks. And again, I know I seem to say this a lot with the CBDFlowerShop videos, but it's what I've come to expect. It's very high quality CBD flower. The trim job on this flower is really nice. You can see that they've got a lot of those sugar leaves away. And the flower just in general looks really good. The trichome coverage is great on the outside and on the inside. The colours look good. The flower looks nice and fresh. And I've got to say, the CBDFlowerShop have done it again when it comes to good looking flower. And now let's get to the smell, and this is probably one of the best strains I've actually smelt when it comes to CBD flower. That really nice sweet creamy smell is super nice. That gelato smell almost comes through. This is just a really nice sweet strain. If you're one of those people that likes buying CBD flower because of what it looks like and what it smells like, and it reminds you of smoking again, it reminds you of weed again, this is a really good one to look at. And now let's get to the taste, and I've got to say, the taste is probably one of the only things that kind of let me down about this flower. It looks amazing, it smells amazing. I mean, we're not looking at the effect yet, but look at me, I'm a bit of a mess right now. But the flavour, I really wanted to taste that strawberry, that berry, that creaminess. I wanted to really taste the sweetness of this flower a lot more. But I found after the first 1 or 2 hits, it really took a deep dive, and then you got that hazy, earthy taste coming through. So although the terpene hits, they're special, they're really nice, really sweet, they don't last that long. And now let's get to whether I think this is a day or a nighttime strain. And like I've said a few times, you can probably see it on me already, I would definitely say this was more of a nighttime strain. One for when you're coming home and you're relaxing, or just in the day when you want to have some pretty heavy relaxation. This one is a good one for those moments when you just need a good hit. And now let's get to the effect, and I could probably say nothing at all and just stare at the camera for the next 2 minutes and it would tell a story, but these effects are pretty strong. Now, I wouldn't say that the effects are as close as the gelato. The gelato was, for me, it got me pretty baked, I'm not gonna lie, it was pretty strong. But this stuff is up there, you can definitely feel it. And I had a pretty big session. I had 2 bowls in my vaporizers and a pretty big bowl in the bong. So I had a pretty big session and I'm feeling it. When the session started going on, I felt as though my cheeks were starting to glow, my skin just got a little bit warm and tingly. Then I got a light head buzz, I could feel it in my eyes slightly. And then after I hit it in the bong, it really come on. My body just kind of shut down, really got that couch lock feeling. I can feel my face is almost in a couch lock because my eyes, I feel my eyes are just slowly drooping and closing. My cheeks feel like they're just slowly dropping. And I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I could just boot this camera off right now and just sit back in my seat, put some good music on and relax. And I think that's where this strain is best, when you just want to chill out, when you want to relax after a hard day. I know it was probably hard for the CBD Flower Shop after the gelato video because that one pretty much ticked all the boxes. It was the best strain I'd ever tried, and it was kind of the Lamborghini. It was the exotic strain. It was the one everyone wanted. So it would have been hard chasing up with the next strain after that one. But this did a really good job. Bar the taste not lasting too long, I would say that this was pretty much on par with the gelato, and that is the review done. So if you guys enjoyed it, remember to leave a thumbs up, put some comments in the comment section, hit that subscribe button, and I'll speak to you guys later.